defines elegance, beauty, grace, and dignity. A woman is the symbol of sensuality, appeal, class, and power. And she has been ever evolving, in laying foundations for metamorphosis, whether it's lifestyle, culture, or tradition. For centuries, she has influenced mindsets, but she's the one who's always had the power. Her magic exists in her power to change. Her power to possess, her power to seduce. Cultures don't change. Values don't change. What changes is her confidence. Every time she looks at herself in the mirror and gets a chance to admire herself. What she needs is a choice. She has the power to choose. And what is choice without change? Gone are the days when women lived with ancestral jewelry being passed on from one generation to another. Women evolved, but the concept of jewelry didn't. They needed a breath of fresh air to feed their creative souls. And then came a unique amalgamation of evolution, sensuality, and class.
So many times people ask me, why have I named my creations Art Carat? Simple logic is, whenever people talk about jewelry, they talk about value. And in gold jewelry, the value is in the caratage or the purity of gold, whereas in the diamond, it is the weight of the diamond which defines its value. But in my jewelry, there is none of them. It is the art which is there, the artistic concepts, my designs, my thoughts, which are in this jewelry, and that is why I have named it Art Carat.
All that has changed into fashion metamorphosis. Art Carat jewelry is made in the base metal silver with gold vermeil studded with precious and semi-precious authentic gemstones. Each piece is 100% handcrafted by some of India's finest artisans and craftsmen, right from smelting of silver to its final finishing.
I might be a jewelry designer and a woman, but behind me there has been one great woman, and not many people know, was Empress Noor Jahan of Mughal Empire. She was the first woman designer of jewelry. She was the one who created Meenakari. I personally love Meenakari because the value which it has in the form of art in jewelry, that is fascinating. Because whatever people see is on the top. Most of the people don't even look at the back of the jewelry piece, which is so very beautiful. And especially Meenakari jewelry pieces, if you look at the back, you would like to wear it from the reverse side as much as you would like to wear from the front. If you would ever notice Meenakari, all those motifs are same as they would do it in the painting. I think it's a very, very intricate job, and not many people can do as good a job as in Rajasthan or even in Hyderabad. Whatever Noor Jahan created at that time in the form of Meenakari, we in Art Carat are doing over the years and it has become very popular.
The Art Carat jewellery collection boasts of an ensemble of classic and trendy designs to adorn the complete woman, giving her a wide variety of classiest styles to make her more and more captivating and enviable. From the time of the Mughals to the present modern times, jewellery has marked many eras of luxury, adorning queens, princesses and divas. From Jodhabai to Maharani Gayatri Devi, from Madhubala to Madhuri, women adorned themselves with pieces of art and class. These are some of the most beautiful women in the world. Glamorous fashion icons, royalties carrying class and power.
I don't know why people think that only painting or sculpture or dancing or singing is the art. It is such a great art form. It is like music. If tabla and sarod is not playing together, the jugalbandi is not perfect. Jewelry making itself is a very big art form. Just like them, I need a perfect jugalbandi with my craftsmen. Unless that jugalbandi takes place, we can never create a good piece of jewelry. Until to the time this synchronization doesn't take place between both of us, we cannot produce a good piece of jewelry.
Tastefully selected ornaments give a finishing touch to make you look complete.
With my jewelry, you are totally safe. You don't have to bother about anything, whether you are traveling or you are at home. But at the same time, look the best and be very, very comfortable.
Art Carat strives to create jewellery for every occasion. The collection has the widest range of exclusive, unique designs which derive their inspiration from many sources. Among which are the temples of Khajuraho, the ethnic kingdoms of Rajasthan, the class of Mughals, and the everlasting era of Indian cinema. It is here that every woman can find that special ensemble which makes her look more gorgeous than ever. With designs that appeal to her senses, like the kiss of dewdrops on her body, with a touch that elevates her soul. To make that difference with a vengeance to the gold fashion.
I strongly feel that the women of today don't look for securities in yellow metal. They believe in investing in education and career. And jewelry does not hold that much of importance in their life as it did earlier.
While the woman today has been resurrected from old norms, every woman wants to be remembered like a class apart. Like an enigma, like the artist's muse. Because when she adorns herself with Art Carat, she invokes passion. Art Carat provides women the change they've been seeking for long. transcendent, a phenomenon, synonymous with class. Art Carat is sheer poetry that envelops and adorns a woman's body, encompassing her with magnificence. Own a piece of art and evolve. Be different. Make a choice.